What's up guys, I'm back and today I'm gonna talk about OnePlus 7. According to some rumors, OnePlus gonna unleash this device by May or June this year. For the official unveiling, we have got many rumors and leaks of this device, and today I'm gonna talk to you about these rumors and leaks and tell you what this device is gonna come with and how it's gonna stack up against the competition. A rumor which is circulating this year, the device is gonna come with a pop-up selfie camera and it will come a very thin bezels. This rumor will be true if the device has very thin bezels and they don't have the space to put the front camera, so they have to motorize it or come with any solution for the front camera. OnePlus 7 is rumored to feature a 6.5-inch AMOLED display along with an in-display fingerprint scanner, but this thing is not confirmed that this device gonna come with a notch or any in-display cutouts. Leak reveals the device gonna have triple camera setup with 40 plus 20 plus 5 megapixel cameras, but the main camera is 40 megapixel and 20 megapixel sensor is the wide angle one. Obviously, this is a trend in 2019, and every smartphone brand is gonna put this wide angle camera in their smartphone. And the last 5 megapixel camera is depth sensor. It is not confirmed that this device gonna have a telephoto lens or not. New leak, you can see there are 3 gradient colors on the back. They did show some gradient color looks in previous generation. They never made them available for the public use. So this time they are gonna make it public, and you're gonna get the gradient color look from your OnePlus device. The rest of the specification goes with the device gonna come with Snapdragon 855 processor. There gonna be a 6 and 8 gigabyte variant along with 128 and 256 gigabytes variants. There is also a chance of 512 gigabyte variant. Of the device has not leaked, and you shouldn't be worried about the price. OnePlus makes very budget flagship devices, and they're not gonna come with higher price tag. It will be in your budget, but you should set in mind the device gonna come with higher price tag compared to the previous generation. That's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so when I post a new video you will get the notification. Until next time, peace out.